I'm going to give you an free J7 Pro phone, and I will say you how to enter that. I requested many companies, and one company is ready to give you an free J7 Pro, and this competition is going to go through my YouTube channel, but I don't spend anything on this phone or them. The credit all goes to the company and them who accepted my request. I'll put you a link down below in the description, so that if you click that link you can go and enter to that competition. It's very easy. You have to just click that and then fill your details and then do something they are saying there, and then click on yeah, it's okay. There you have very high chance to win this competition, because I have less subscribers. There are high chance for you to win this competition, so I think that you will enter this competition. It's very easy. Just go and click the down below, the link down below in the description.